troubles when multiplying fractions? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to discuss on this topic. First things first. Numerator is the number above the line of fraction. It shows how many parts of the whole is indicated. And denominator is the number which is under the line of fraction. It shows the total number of parts created from the whole number. Let's get into the topic. The first step in the multiplication of fractions is to multiply the numerator with the numerator. And the second step is to multiply the denominator with the denominator. For example, let's take 1 by 4 into 3 by 7. First, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator. That is 1 into 3. We get the answer 3. So we know that the numerator of the answer is 3. Then we will multiply the denominator with the denominator. 4 into 7, that is 28. So we get the answer 3 by 28. It's easy to multiply fractions, as you know. So now we can study how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Step 1 is to make the whole number a fraction. It's simple to make a whole number a fraction. First, we have to keep the numerator the number itself and then make the denominator 1. The second step is to follow the rules of multiplying fractions by fraction. It's to multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. Let's take an example. 5 by 7 into 9. So 5 into 9 and 7 into 1. 5 into 9 is 45 and 7 into 1 is 7. So the answer 45 by 7. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.